Google has been accused of taking undue advantage of its dominant position in the markets, such as online search and App Store for Android, to protect the position of its apps such as Chrome and YouTube in mobile web browsers and also in online video hosting.
Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In today's video, we shall be discussing about the penalties on Google. The penalties on Google by the Competition Commission of India or CCI. In October 2022, CCI imposed a Rs 1,338 crore penalty on Google for abusing its dominance in the licensing of Android operating system for smartphones, App Store market for Android, general web search services, non-operating specific mobile web browsers, and online video hosting platforms in India. A week later, Competition Commission of India levied a separate Rs 936.44 crore penalty for abusing its Play Store policies. Additionally, it issued a cease and desist order directing Google to modify its policies, including allowing mobile application developers to use third-party payment services on its App Store. Let us discuss a bit of background of the issue. The fines by the CCI pertains to one of the three antitrust lawsuits Google is facing in India. The investigation into Google's payment system used in the Play Store began in 2020 after an antitrust case was filed against Google. The Google Play Store is a marketplace for apps and services and has a collection of more than 3 million applications. Now let us discuss about the allegations with respect to Google Play's billing system. Indian startups and small digital companies have complained about Google's policy of requiring app developers to mandatorily use Google Play's billing system, not only for receiving payments for paid app downloads, but also for in-app purchases. If the app developers did not comply with the Google's policy of using GPBS, they would not be permitted to use their apps on the Play Store. Now, CCI also examined the service fee that Google charges developers of paid apps and for in-app purchases, compared to the 0 to 3% fee by the other payment aggregators in India. The Commission found Google's service fee between 15 to 30%, and that is excessive, unfair, and discriminatory. Now, CCI has directed Google to allow app developers to use any third-party billing service and given it 3 months to implement necessary changes in its practices. Now, if we talk about the allegations with respect to the Android operating system, Android, which is the most prominent such operating system, was acquired by Google in 2005. Android is a licensable operating system, meaning the developer Google licenses it to the smartphone manufacturers like Samsung, Vivo, and so on. 97% of India's 600 million smartphones are powered by Google's Android operating system. While the Android is an in-principle open-source operating system, the CCI found that it is controlled by Google. Now, the Commission noted that through its restrictive agreements such as the Mobile Application Distribution Agreement with smartphone manufacturers, Google assured that the most prominent search entry points, that is, Search app, widget, and Chrome browser, and the whole Google mobile suite came mandatorily pre-installed on the Android devices with no option to uninstall the same. If we talk about global scenario, similar probes are also on against Google in South Korea and Indonesia. A European court recently upheld a 2018 ruling against Google, saying that the company imposed unlawful restrictions on manufacturers of the Android mobile devices. Google faces a $4.1 billion fine and plans to appeal. Now, talking about the Competition Commission of India. The Competition Commission of India, CCI, is the chief national competition regulator in India. It is a statutory body within the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which was established in 2003. The commission comprises a chairperson and not less than 2 and not more than 6 other members appointed by the central government. It is responsible for enforcing the Competition Act 2002. Now, the antitrust law is a law against any combination or trust which prevents them from indulging in unfair trade practices which causes stagnant growth of other businesses or enterprises. The Competition Act 2002 fulfill the objectives and is hence also called the antitrust law. So this was a little bit about the topic. Now let us take up one practice question on the same. Consider the following statements relating to the Competition Commission of India. First, CCI is a statutory body within the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Second, CCI was established in 2008. Now, which of the statements given above are correct? You can take a moment and write your answers in the comment section below. So here only the first statement is correct. Second statement is wrong as it was established in the year 2003 and not 2008. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, that is 1 only. And with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. You can also check out the daily current affairs section on our website for more details. And for more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IAS YouTube channel.